Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, question number 22 of paper 2 of JEE Advanced Physics 2015. So let us start with 22 number question. Friends, the question is, the densities of two solid spheres are A and B. So we have got two solid spheres A and B of same radius. Radius is same. The solid sphere and with the density varies with the radial distance r as this. So for A and B there are two spheres. For A, the density of A as a function of r is given as k r over r, and for B the density of B as a function of r is k r over r to the power 5 respectively. So for these two spheres, solid spheres, the density varies like this as you move further and further away. As you move further and further away from the center, the r increases and density will increase. So it becomes more denser from the center towards the periphery. The density increases. Here also it increases in the power of fifth power of the distance. K is a constant. The moment of inertia, the moments of inertia of the individual spheres about the axis passing through their centers. So axis passing through the center like this, and are IA and IB. So for this it is IA, and for this sphere it is IB. These are the moment of inertia respectively. Then IB upon IA is given as n by 10. Then what is the value of n? So now, how to find in case of a variable density, if the density varies, then at a distance r, I'll consider a hollow sphere and with thickness dr. So this thickness is dr. So now this is a hollow sphere. So we have considered a hollow sphere with r as radius. So with r as radius, and suppose the mass of this sphere is mass, suppose is dm is the mass, then the moment of inertia of this sphere, suppose I'm finding for sphere A, for any sphere the moment of inertia will be the 2/3, because we know that for a hollow sphere it is 2 by 3 mr square. M here it is dm, r is here r, mr square. This is the moment of inertia. But because of this variable mass, because this mass can be expressed as density into volume, so the moment of inertia will be 2 by 3. Mass is density into volume. Volume of this is 4 pi r square dr, and because this is where the mass is present, and that is the mass, and 2 by 3 mr square. So this is the moment of inertia for this, and that if I consider for the whole sphere, the radius is from 0 to r, because that radius will be from 0 to r. So this is the moment of inertia. This formula I have to use 2 times. For the question is about IB upon IA, then this is 2 upon 3 rho of B 4 pi r square. I will consider the same spheres in both into r square divided by 2 by integration 0 to r. Here 2 by 3 rho of A 4 pi r square dr, that will not change, r square. Again it is 0 to r. So this 4 pi 2 by 3, 4 pi 2 by 3 will all cancel out. Density of B is given as this one with respect to r, that I will substitute here. So this will be, this one will cancel out, 4 pi 4 pi. This r will not cancel, this r is the variable, so that will not cancel out. Density of B is k r5 by r5, k r5 over r raised to 5, and this is r square dr r square divided by density of A is kr by r, kr over r, and this is r4 dr or r square dr dr square, integration 0 to r, 0 to r. Now from here we'll again write that IB over IA is, this is r raised to 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 9. So r raised to 9 dr integration 0 to r, 1 by r5 is there, and ultimately it will be 1 upon r raised to 4 outside divided by integration 0 to r, here also integration 0 to r, 2 to 1 2 to 1, this is r raised to 5 dr. If I solve this, then 1 by r raised to 4, here it will be r raised to 10 by 10. So again if I put the limit, this will be r raised to 10 by 10 minus 0, that is not written here. The denominator, this will be r raised to 6, so r raised to 6 over 6, and that also is 0, so nothing is there. So this is r raised to 10, and this is r raised to 4, this is r raised to 6, this is 10, that will also cancel out, this is 6 by 10. So IB upon IA is 6 by 10. We are getting 6 by 10, and the question, this is what we obtained, and what is given is n by 10. This is given. So if we compare these two, then n becomes 6, rest is same, so n value comes out to be 6. This is the answer to this question, that is n is 6. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.